Assurance Wireless provides free or low-cost cell service to eligible low-income individuals. The first crucial step is SIM activation, which links your phone to the network. Start by inserting the SIM card into your phone. The quickest method is to use the Assurance Wireless app, available on Android and iOS, and scan the QR code on the SIM packaging. This is the fastest and most streamlined way. Alternatively, you can call 1-888-321-5880. Have your eligibility details ready, such as your address and income verification. Activation typically takes 5 to 15 minutes. Be sure your phone is an Assurance Wireless phone or an unlocked phone. Devices are carrier locked to prevent resale on other networks. On the app, there are troubleshooting options like network settings, reset if you run into issues. After activation, configure your access point name settings. This ensures your data works correctly. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then Access Point Names. Add a new APN. For Verizon, use TF Data as the APN. Save the settings and restart your phone. Incorrect APN settings can lead to data issues, so verify them. Next, set up your voicemail by calling your own number to set up a greeting. For advanced features, you can download carrier-specific apps like Verizon Messages. Finally, keep your phone updated by going to Settings, System, System Update, and installing any available updates. App updates are done through the Google Play Store. Updates patch security vulnerabilities and improve overall performance. Connect to Wi-Fi to reduce cellular data usage.